Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be bringing you my first Tuesday morning haul of 2020. I went to Tuesday morning to find some spring market stuff from Echo Park. I was fortunate enough to get the 12 by 12. I wanted to get some ephemera, some accessories, and some 6 by 6. My Tuesday morning didn't have any, but fortunately I have this one. Actually, I love this collection so much. I ordered it from Echo Park as a kit. And then I even ordered it from Amazon for the regular price. So I ordered it $15 in Amazon, and now I got it per the entire kit for $5.99, which is an amazing deal. This is an awesome kit. It's not just for spring. I think it's all throughout the year kind of collection. It's amazing. The amazing colors, subtle details. It's very beautiful for spring cards and everything, but I think it totally works for kind of an every season kind of card. So this one, I got some of that. And then I was able to get some Maggie Holmes. I wanted to get this house stamp because I wanted to color it. So stamp it and color it and make ephemera out of it using my own colors. I think this would work with any kind of collection. So that's that. Super cute. And then the tickets are also cute. I cannot say no to anything coffee cup. I was thinking this could be making your own ephemera, coloring it, which is awesome. And you can also use this for like a background stamp, which I absolutely love. I used some coffee cups in here, and I was thinking of doing the same thing with that stamp. So I'm really excited about that. And this is from Shimmel. So that's really cute. And then the last stamp that I got is from Flourish. And I love the cameras. I love this, which is also reminiscent of the spring market from Echo Park. So very cute. I thought that works very well. And then the last thing, well, the last thing that I got from Flourish, from Maggie Holmes, is this one. So I can copy the coloring of this, or I can do my own. I didn't get the deer stamp. They had deer stamp with a peacock. It wasn't my style. But I thought having this, because I don't have any chipboard. I only have from the Flourish collection. I think I only have the paper. So I'm thankful that they have it at my Tuesday morning. And then next one is, I'm not sure. Yes, this is Flourish as well. So I wanted to get this. The only reason why I wanted to get it, because it's $2.49. The only reason why I wanted to get it is I wanted to copy how they did the ephemera. I love making my own ephemera. So I was thinking, yes, I can copy that, get inspiration from all these like layered looks. And I think that would be an awesome inspiration. So that's why I got one of this, because I can make my own. I have some sticks here in my craft room that I can use for that. Next, I was really lucky to find this die cut. So this says, one says Bliss and the other one says Document. I've been seeing this for a couple years now. First I saw it at Joann's, and then I've been seeing it, and I didn't really buy it, but today it was 45 cents. So I'm really thankful that I waited, because I got it for 45 cents each. That is an amazing deal, I think. So next, I'm thinking we're gonna go on vacation in July. So I'm kind of looking ahead into what we can use for the vacation, like albums and stuff. So I got the Pebbles Summertime Collection. I think this was released 2 years ago. It's cute. It's very colorful. Lots of beautiful, lots of papers that you can scrapbook for the kids' activities and everything. Cute bee. I have a bee stamp that I wanted to use. And this one will be really cute for like a cover. Beautiful colors. Very primary. Cute images. And then I wanted to share this with my daughter so she can make her own the cell phone case, different designs. I'm gonna share that. Some flip-flops, some mermaids. The lobster isn't really my style. I'm gonna do it really quick. And these have glitter on them. This is my favorite of all, I think. Super cute. Cute for cards. And this has some glitter. They're very cute, actually. And then it repeats. So that's what we have with that, the Pebbles Summertime. And it's the same price as, well, actually, I think this is $6.99. So $1 more, but we get 48 papers. And then this one is Good Day Sunshine from Echo Park. Another summer collection. And this used to be $14.99. I want to show you what they have. Look at the stickers, very cute. Excuse me. Like a summer road trip or any kind of summer related things. Summer was made for good friends and great adventures. How cute. Maybe scrapbooking, you know, like friends adventure, going out of town with the ladies. So this one, the cover has this. So how awesome is that? They didn't waste that paper. That's wonderful. These are the best days of my life. How cute is that? Even for a card. Our staycation, that's super cute. The colors are super cute. All primary, but still cute, I think. Look at the mason jar. How cute. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful stripes. Beautiful, beautiful florals. And I think this is the back of the floral. Right there. Bathing suits and some cut aparts. And this one has words. If you want to, you can cut it up if you have lots of patience. And this is the back part of this one. Popsicles. Very summery kind of adventure. How cute are these? And then just a green for a background. Cute, cute, cute. I like it. And then lemonade stand. Very summery. And lemons. And then the sticker collection. So lots of beautiful colors that you have in the set. I think it's a good deal for $5.99 for all this papers, and you get a sheet of stickers. So that's really, really wonderful. So this one is the spring market for, I'm gonna open it for those people who haven't seen it. Maybe you might want to look at the details before. It's hard to kind of look at it Tuesday morning and opening it up and everything. So maybe this is going to help you decide if this is something for you or not. But this is one of my favorite collections of all time. Very beautiful light pinks, light greens. I love that they mixed in a little bit of black to kind of balance out the pastels. And the paper, of course, this is Carta Bella originally, but you can feel the difference. Like this one is kind of mass produced and thinner than the original. The original Carta Bella one is so much thicker. Like you can really, really feel the difference. But still, the prints are all the same. If you're not very particular about that texture, then it's a great deal. I love, love, love that. I'm going to show you some projects that I made with these in my next video, guys. I promise. So this one is like shiplap, and this is the back part. Beautiful colors. Really, really beautiful. How pretty is this? This could be like front and center. How cute, right? Here, let me show you. How beautiful are those flowers? And the boots. Rain boots, I think. Oh my gosh. Is this the most beautiful paper you've ever seen? Wonderfully watercolored look. So much detail. Very, very cute. I don't want to take so much of your time, but I thought it's worth looking into. This is the last page. And this one is the back part, and this one is for Project Life. When you love what you have everything you need. How sweet. Of all the things my eyes have seen, the best by far is you. How cute. Very, very cute. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. And you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So that's an awesome, awesome deal. Anyway, guys, I hope you had a good time. I hope you liked my haul. Take care. Have a wonderful crafty day. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.